looking to grow on that platform, basically. Number 1 is post consistently, minimum of 3 times a day, it says. 2 is create a content calendar, plan 30 days ahead. Me, I have to do 7 because I'm just actually, planning things has never been in my schedule. So I'm learning how to plan and organize efficiently. Okay? Yeah. So your 30 days would be nice if you are efficient in planning, and sticking to your plan, because that's something I don't do as well. And so that's why I just, take it slow. But if you're like me, then maybe you need to do 7, 5, 3 days, 24 hours. Just give yourself a challenge. Number 3, focus on one niche until you dominate it. That's where we're at. Number 4, add a signature theme or phrase people remember. Haven't done that yet myself, but you got it, you got it. Number 5, hook viewers within the first 3 seconds. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. I'm going to make that my hook. Goddamn shit. Number 6, focus on value and virality. Teach, inspire, or entertain. I'm trying to do all 3. Okay. Number 7, repurpose your long form into shorts, reels, or clips. Literally how I made this video, because I'm actually going live. But when this video is posted to another platform, when it's posted on YouTube, it will be a clip or a short. Just clip myself right there. Yeah, YouTube. So, okay, where are we at? Number 8, use storytelling, just about to tell your purpose, to get down to the point, okay? Emotion sales, honey, okay? Number 9, create a series-based content, part 1 out of 10. Working on it myself. I'm not perfect. You not perfect. We not perfect. Okay? That's why we here. Number 10, study what's trending in your niche, which this is actually what vidIQ told me to post about earlier. So that's, everything happens for a reason. Number 11, analyze. Analyze top creators. Analyze the people, the greats, the ones that's doing better than you. Analyze them. Okay? You keep an eye on them, okay? Their patterns, their weak video, their oldest videos, from their popular videos to their most recent videos, to their thumbnail, to their banner, to their descriptions, to their hashtags, to their links. And if you have vidIQ, you need extensions. As a creator, you must have extensions on your browser. I've already made a video about that, but it ain't doing too good, so I'm gonna have to make another one. Okay, which leads us to number 12. In videos with a reason for viewers to come back. So if you want to see the videos I was just talking about, go ahead and subscribe. All right. Use B-rolls. Number 13, use B-rolls and overlays to keep attention. That's why I'm saying these numbers. Actually, little do you know, I'm saying these numbers to make sure, because I've trained myself through editing, that, highlight the keyword. Yeah, okay. I'm trying to be like AI. I don't know if I'm trying to be like AI or if AI is trying to be like me. I just don't know. That has been my question on many of these videos, but whatever.